Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. In today's video, I'm going to continue the EDM from start to finish series, and this is episode 3, and in this video I'm going to basically work on the transitions, start adding some elements to help the transitions to be smoother, and maybe some automation also to some effects or to some instruments. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notification so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of the products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you will have access to the premium videos. Basically are the extended versions of the videos that you see here without cuts, and more videos about mixing, production, everything related to music production. And you will also be able to download sample packs and project files, and you will be able to access the Q&A sessions where I get all of your questions and then I answer them in videos so that you can speed up your learning. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and move to FL Studio. So let's hear first what we have so far in terms of the track. I was listening while I was setting up this video, and it's really cool. I really enjoy the vibe of the track. Here just until the drop. Now we have here the transition that I will probably have to work on it. And now the drop. And here we have the strings to differentiate a little bit the rest of the track, or the other parts of the drop, or the pre-drop, let's say, this main drop here. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I really enjoy it. I think it's in a really nice place. So now let's go ahead and try to find some white noises and some stuff that we can add here to make the track a little bit more interesting. Maybe it will be too loud. Okay, I kind of like it. So let's see. Actually, let's see if we can have it more times. And let's send this to the mixer. Maybe we can add it before the main drop or the main breakdown. Let's add some delay. Today this is a little bit too slow. I don't know what's going on. Or cymbal airy. Okay, and let's see here in risers. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, we can even add, maybe add the riser. And let's bring this except the noise pump or this punch. Yeah. Not sure. Let's see without. Kind of like the transition like this. Let me see without the riser, or we can actually bring this one here. I like it, but maybe here we can cut something out, or maybe let's see if I have something here that I can add. Let's see these bells. Let's see if they work nice. We have the brass also, and we have the bass. Let's see if one of these makes it sound a little bit more interesting. Maybe. Let's see this bass here. I think I removed the snare that I just added, so let me bring it over here. not sure about this transition. Let me make it a little bit more aggressive. Sounds better. Yeah, that sounds way better. I just want to listen to this drop before once more. I think it sounds nice. I really enjoy it. Okay, guys, so this is it. Let me put the track again. Let's see the transition once more. Let's listen to it once more. So this is it, guys. I think the transitions are done. The next step that I will do is to try to condense these into 16 tracks only, because I want to mix this track in Pro Tools. And probably I will do that in the next video. Probably all these risers and effects I will just leave it in one single track, so that I can save some space, because now we have maybe 14 tracks just of 13 tracks just of instruments, and then the rest is just effects. So maybe I can combine everything and have only 16 tracks, which will help me to work in Pro Tools. And yeah, if you are new here to this channel, consider subscribing and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting this channel by buying one of the products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium member, and you will have access to the full video and also to the previous videos and the future videos that I do for this channel. And you will also be able to download sample packs and project files, and you will be able to access the Q&A sessions where I collect all of your questions and answer them specifically for your questions. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.